Have you ever learned hundreds of phrases but still freeze when someone talks to you in real life?
Yeah, you know what to say in your head, but the moment comes and your brain goes blank.
That's normal. And that's exactly why we're here. Welcome to day 6 of our 7-day challenge to sound like a native speaker.
Today, we're going to train real conversation flow, how to start, react, and keep talking naturally in everyday English.
In real life, conversations aren't scripted. People interrupt, change topics, laugh, or answer half a sentence.
Exactly. You can't plan every reply, but you can train your reaction flow.
Fluency means responding automatically, not perfectly.
So let's get you comfortable with spontaneous English.
Here are some natural ways to start a chat. Repeat after us.
How's your day going?
Pretty good. What about you?
What brings you here today?
Just grabbing a coffee.
Simple, friendly, natural, that's the key.
Hey there, long time no see. How have you been?
Hey, I've been great, just busy with work lately. How about you?
Same here. Can I get you your usual latte?
Actually, make it iced today. It's so hot outside.
Haha, good choice. Iced latte coming up. See how the conversation flows naturally with small talk and friendly energy?
Exactly. No fancy words, just real connection.
Now practice these mini chats out loud. I'll ask a question. You answer before Adam does. What did you do last weekend?
I went to the beach with friends.
What's your favorite food?
Definitely pizza. What about you?
Your goal is speed plus confidence, not perfection.
Real fluency is in the little reactions. Repeat these with feeling, oh, really? That's awesome. No way. I see. You're kidding. Exactly.
Perfect. Those tiny phrases keep a conversation alive. Now let's do a reaction speed test. I'll give you situations. You respond fast.
One, your friend says, I passed my exam. That's amazing. Congrats. Two, someone says, I lost my wallet. Oh no, that's terrible. A coworker says, I'm moving to a new city. Wow, that's exciting. Where to?
Excellent. The faster you react, the more natural you sound.
Don't chase perfection, chase connection.
Exactly. Real English isn't about long sentences. It's about sounding alive and engaged.
So next time you chat, focus on energy and tone, not grammar.
Your task for today: start one real conversation in English. It can be online, at a store, or with a friend.
Ask a simple question like, how's your day? And reply naturally, even if it's short.
Every small chat is a real step toward fluency. Today you learned how to handle real English conversations. From starting small talk to reacting naturally.
You trained speed, intonation, and confidence in real life situations.
And tomorrow, it's the final day. Day 7, the Fluency Challenge. We'll combine everything you've learned into one powerful practice session.
Get ready to speak, shadow, and flow like a native.
See you in day 7, and keep speaking English every single day.